Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make apple upside down cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then into a 9 or 10 inch cast iron skillet, add in the butter and heat it on the stove until it's melted. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can just use a round cake pan. Just melt the butter in a saucepan or in the microwave and pour it into the pan, but a cast iron skillet will help maximize the browning effect. Once the butter is melted, remove it from the heat and sprinkle the brown sugar evenly into the skillet. Then wash and dry the apples and peel, core, and slice them. You need to make sure you're using sweet apples so they really caramelize on the bottom of the upside down cake. Then lay the sliced apples into the pan. Break some of them up to fill in the gaps. And try not to overfill the skillet with the apples because there needs to be room for the cake batter. Then set it aside for now. Then in a small or medium bowl, add in the melted butter, buttermilk that's at room temperature, eggs that are also at room temperature, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. And set it aside for now. Then in a separate bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. If you like, you can also add in some cinnamon and whisk it in until it's combined. Slowly pour in the wet ingredients while mixing. And mix them until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Then pour the batter into the skillets on top of the apples. Spread it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes or until it's nicely browned on top and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 5 minutes only. Don't let it cool too long or it will stick to the pan. Then run a butter knife around the edges to loosen it from the pan. Place your serving plate on top of the skillet. Use hot pads to pick it up and quickly flip it over onto the serving plate. And lift off the pan. And you can serve it still warm or cooled to room temperature. And if you like, you can also serve it with ice cream. And that's how to make apple upside down cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.